Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's EpicTourzZ, where it's all about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. So today we're doing things a little bit different, in the whole spirit of the Chinese New Year. I'm visiting Fresh Approach, which is the supermarket where you could get maybe most of the Chinese stuff in there. So we're going to go through, not going for anything specific. I mean, I do kind of like the snacks and stuff anyway. So, just to kind of see what's in there, if there's anything that we like. So let's go. I think there's a new one that opened in New Kingston, but I'm here at the one on Constant Spring Road. So let's go. So I've always heard about this. I've never tried it before. Buga. I'm not sure. Somebody can correct me. I think another name is bitter lemon. It's winter lemon. It's kind of mostly a regular food stuff here though, in terms of these things, watercress. So guys, they even have like the nice pots and stuff, the cute pots. They have chopsticks, they have like the sushi mats. So guys, say all the noodles that you would like. Fried round gluten. Sugar lumps. What's that, guys? Yeah, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Fried squid. Some of these things aren't gonna happen. I don't even know what this is. Alright, so these are like the snacks. Honestly, I would taste that one. I'm not a chocolate person, but the thing looks interesting. These are the snacks, my aisle. Yeah, things I can relate to here. Snacks. And of course, seaweed is here. Panko that they fry the stuff in. So like, I don't know what this is, but that's my first question. Grape drinks with, I come to that, I know that's iced tea. Chrysanthemum tea drink. Teriyaki. Should get some of these sauces, Hey guys, alright, so from the trip to Fresh Approach, I decided to get a few items, not a lot, just a few things to try. Some of the things I've had before, and some I can assume how they taste, but let's see, we're gonna go through some of them. Alright, so I got quite a few. Well, this I actually opened because I won't open like all the ramens because I'm not that hungry where I'm going to drink all ramens now, or all noodles, sorry. So I'll just show you guys which ones I got. So I got this one here. Oh jeez, my nails are a mess. So I got this one here. I'm assuming it's beef because it looks like it has beef stuff on it. So I'm going to go with beef. So I got this one. I also got this one. This is actually one I really love. I usually do it with cheese. So this is a good one. And I got this one, which I thought I had tried before, which is a spicy one, but I haven't, so I'm gonna try this one. I know you guys thinking I probably should have done this as a noodle video, right? But no. And this is the one that I'm going to try now. This is a curry. It actually has English on it. So this is chicken curry flavored. So let's see how this one. Honestly, I don't know how it's gonna taste, but when I was making it, like the seasoning that you put on it, it had this garlicky smell. So let's see. And I didn't like nice it up with all these extranesses. No, I just put a little bit. Just did it how the instructions said. See? Looks like your regular noodle. It don't even look yellow like, you know, curry, like you'd expect it to have this deep yellow color. None of that. And look at how much I'm putting in at once for a taste test. So here it goes, guys. It's okay. Alright, so this I could eat. The packet, it came with 3 little pieces. Like it came with chili, another sauce, which I guess was like the curry, and it came with just like the seasoning, the powder seasoning. So I put the chili in there, so you definitely do taste that spiciness. I think if I didn't put the chili, I probably wouldn't like it so much. But yeah, this is good. I'll eat this. I'll actually. But like as I said too, I feel like I mostly got noodles. So the other stuff I get, these I think are sweets. So I'm gonna try this one first. So this is banana cream biscuit. So I love things that are usually banana flavored. So I'm assuming I like this. Oh gosh, guys, don't look at my fingernails. They need to be done. Oh gosh, that smells so good. Like it smells like banana. You know, if you like banana flavored stuff, the smell alone, boy, I'm hoping it tastes good. So it's actually banana creamed biscuit. So it's just your biscuit, but inside it is actually banana filling. But the thing is, the biscuit is more like, it's like a soft biscuit, easy to break. So this is the filling. So let's try it. I think these are my new faves. And then now I have these. These are more sweets. And as you can see, well, there are pineapples on these, so I guess it's pineapple flavor. Lychee on these, so lychee flavor. Alright? So let's see. Oh, these bags are so hard to open though. Like I just have to be ripping them. So this is the pineapple. It's just like pineapple gummy. Oh, they're super small. So it's just like pineapple gummy bears, pretty much. Yeah, so these are like pineapple. They're like pineapple gummy bears. These are nice. I love this. So I figured then that these would be like the lychee flavored ones, right? So this is the lychee. Oh my gosh, this is like as you put it in, you get that lychee flavor. If you like lychee, you'll probably like this flavor. And then worse, because lychees are hard to get sometimes, just get a pack of these, munch on them, which is actually why I got it, because I love lychee, but boy, sometimes it's hard to get. Alright, so the next thing I have here is, I'm assuming is iced tea, right? So looks like the lemon. Oh, it actually says it right. So it's iced tea. All right. If you know me, I actually love iced tea, so I don't think I'll have a problem with this, which is why I got this. So I'm not going to taste it just yet. I'm going to taste something else, and I feel like if I taste that, Sorry, I feel like if I taste that, I'm gonna need it. Because Lord knows I have no idea what this is. So guys, this now, I found this one interesting. So I was just like, let's try this. So this is barbecue fried dough. Barbecue fried dough. Just the dough. Salsa dough. Oh snap. So I thought it was more. Whew, let's see. I don't know what it smells like though. Well, it's sweet, spicy, really spicy actually. It's literally dough. Yeah, so this is not for me. Hard. I'm gonna leave that straight up. So yeah, so the iced tea is needed. Let's see. Yes. I don't think you can go wrong with iced tea. Can you? Let me know in the comments if you've ever had bad iced tea. But this is good. And this is lemon iced tea. I assume it says iced tea, but I see pictures of like lemons on it. Yeah, so let's just say that's one. And also guys, I got some melon, right, which is a winter melon. I haven't tried this yet, but I'll let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, pretty much that's it. So thank you guys for checking out my video on, fresh approach and things you could maybe try if you go there. Let me know what are some of your favorite items to buy from there if you've been there.